Welcome to a journey into the heart of natural wellness, where ancient traditions and modern science intersect to support your body's immune defenses. In these times, especially with challenges like COVID-19, enhancing your immunity isn't just about medical interventions, it's also about making practical, daily choices that fortify your health from within. Today, we'll discover how 3 simple ingredients, lemongrass, ginger, and lemon, can help you nurture your body's resilience, all from the comfort of your own kitchen.
Your immune system is your personal defense force. It tirelessly stands guard, shielding you from harmful viruses, bacteria, and other invaders. When it encounters threats like the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes COVID-19, its specialized cells jump into action. Think of them as highly trained soldiers, the first to respond, the last to retreat. While vaccines create a memory so your body can recognize and fight off certain viruses, and medications are indispensable in treating disease, natural herbs can provide additional support. They work by supplying your body with vital antioxidants, reducing harmful inflammation, and reinforcing your system's protective barriers. With a strong immune system, you enhance your capacity to withstand illness, recover faster, and enjoy better overall well-being. Let's begin with lemongrass, a plant beloved across the globe for its refreshing citrus aroma and long, slender stalks. Beyond its use in culinary creations, lemongrass offers remarkable health benefits. It contains citral, a plant compound renowned for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. This means that when used wisely, lemongrass may help your body limit the growth of certain pathogens. But that's not all. Lemongrass is a natural source of vitamins A and C, both key to immune health. Vitamin A supports healthy membranes and skin, the first barriers against infection, while vitamin C acts as an antioxidant and helps your immune cells work efficiently. Lemongrass also supplies essential minerals like potassium, which supports your heart and nerves, and magnesium, important for muscle and nerve function. Enjoying lemongrass in your daily routine is simple. Take 2 or 3 fresh stalks, slice them up, and simmer in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. As the aromas fill your kitchen, the water draws out the natural compounds, resulting in a soothing, aromatic tea. For added flavor and benefits, a touch of honey makes a delicious pairing, bringing its own antibacterial qualities to the mix. For congestion and respiratory relief, you can also try steam inhalation by infusing both lemongrass and ginger in boiling water and gently breathing in the fragrant steam. However, remember, too much of a good thing can upset the delicate balance in your body. To avoid stomach irritation, limit your daily intake of lemongrass to 20 grams. Ginger, with its distinctive spicy warmth and golden hue, is a root praised for centuries in both Eastern and Western medicine. This unassuming rhizome hides potent power within, gingerol and shogal. These compounds have potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce swelling and discomfort when your body is under attack from viruses or other irritants. Not only can ginger reduce inflammation, but it also supports your immune system, so it responds faster and more effectively. Many find that ginger soothes sore throats, eases coughs, and comforts an upset stomach, symptoms that often accompany viral infections. It's also beneficial for digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients that fuel your immune response. To prepare ginger tea, simply slice a piece of fresh ginger root, drop it into hot water, and let it steep until the water glows a warm, inviting yellow. The longer it steeps, the stronger the flavor and benefits. Adding a squeeze of lemon and a spoonful of honey makes the tea even more powerful, combining the best of their immune-boosting qualities. For those with sensitive stomachs, such as people with acid reflux or ulcers, it's wise to limit ginger to 10 grams per day to avoid discomfort. Let's turn now to lemon, nature's zesty, vibrant fruit packed full of vitamin C. Vitamin C is vital for immune health, acting as a catalyst for the production and activity of white blood cells, the body's frontline fighters against infection. Just 1 lemon contains almost half your daily vitamin C needs, making it a convenient and effective way to support detoxification and immunity. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water in the morning has been a cherished ritual in many cultures, helping flush out accumulated toxins and invigorate your body for the day ahead. In addition, lemon juice can work as a natural mouth rinse. Diluted with water, it may help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, lowering the risk of infections that can start here and spread deeper into the body. But what happens when we combine the powers of lemongrass, ginger, and lemon? You create a potent, harmonizing blend that supports immunity at multiple levels. Here's a simple recipe. Boil 2 stalks of fresh lemongrass and a small piece of ginger in water for 15 minutes. Once the infusion is ready, strain it and add the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Enjoy this aromatic, warming tea twice daily, morning and evening, for a steady boost to your immune system and an inviting ritual to start and end your day. While these natural remedies are powerful, it's important to practice moderation. Too much can cause side effects, like stomach irritation or discomfort. Always listen to your body and pay attention to any allergic reactions or sensitivities. If you live with long-term medical conditions, take medications, or have specific health concerns, it's especially important to talk with your healthcare provider before adding new herbs or large quantities of any remedy to your routine. Herbs are not a substitute for prescribed treatments or vaccines, but they can be an excellent addition to balanced, holistic self-care. By embracing the gifts of nature and combining them with medical advice, you give your body its best chance to thrive. Simple habits like preparing lemongrass, ginger, and lemon tea, enjoying balanced meals, finding time for gentle movement, and giving yourself plenty of restful sleep all work together to strengthen your immunity and foster resilience, even during challenging times. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health and natural wellness. If you found these insights helpful, we invite you to continue exploring, learning, and sharing with others. Here's to your health, your peace of mind, and the strength that comes from within. Stay safe and be well.